I love drinking green tea, but it's always a struggle to try to find a good mixture of green tea that's not too bitter. My go-to used to be milk until I listened to a podcast of a nutritionist who said milk actually stunts any of the benefits that you get from green tea besides for the caffeine. So now I'm going to try to find a new way to drink my green tea, but it's going to be kind of difficult. Some of the recipes that I read online were a little iffy. So I'm going to take you guys along to see what the best ingredient is to mix with your green tea. I have all of our possible combinations laid out here. I'm really excited to try the unique ones like the cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, mint, and lemon, but I've never tried those before. I've got my little helper up here. Would you like to stir one? Alright, so we're ready to taste now. Are you ready? We're going to start with the mint and lemon. What's that? Are you sure you want to taste this? I don't even know if I want to try the mint. Oh, that's a lot of mint. Okay. Obviously that one's not good either. Too much mint, huh? Is it too much mint? Yeah. This one's nutmeg. It smells sweeter. Ugh. It has a really herby, bitter taste. What do you think? Oh, don't spit it out! Next one is ginger. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that mint taste out of my mouth. We shouldn't have started with that one. It's so bad. Oh, that one's not so bad, apparently. Cinnamon. Ready for cinnamon? Okay, this one smells good. I love the smell of cinnamon. Cinnamon and green tea. Maybe it's just the Lipton green tea, but I'm not liking any of these. Alright, now we're getting to the good ones. White sugar. This one's gotta be good, right? Oh. Guys, I think the mint ruined it. Try this. You've had enough? Do you want to try lemon juice?
It's Daddy, Mommy.
I'm being silly. Oh, what do you think? Not good. Lemon and sugar. Not so bad. So she liked that one too. Honey. This is my favorite so far. I don't know if she likes it or not. And she had an accident when she was helping me stir. We have like that much left. So I'm going to get like a tiny little swallow of lemon and honey. And that one's my favorite. I knew that one was going to be good because I've had lemon and honey before when I have a sore throat, but I still need a little bit of energy. I'll put lemon and honey in green tea, so that's a really good alternative to coffee. Thanks for sticking around for this experiment. I gotta say, I'm kind of disappointed in how it turned out. I'm just gonna be stuck with my regular lemon and honey from now on because I hated the rest of them. They were so bad. So let me know down below what your favorite combination is and if I just need to get a new green tea besides for Lipton green tea. I do like matcha green tea, but I haven't found a brand that I really, really like yet. So let me know your thoughts if you have any advice for me. And if you want to see more videos similar to this, then go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.